Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how to make a very good parachute launcher. So we'll be making this out with a pen, rubber band and a plastic bag, because now in lockdown we cannot go out to buy things, so with home items. So basically, what is a parachute? A parachute is a thing which slows down anything attached to it coming downwards towards the force of gravity. So let's move on. So guys, in order to make a parachute, the items you will be needing will be some rubber bands, then a pen, any color pen you can take. Just remove the refill of the pen and just keep the outer lid like I have done. In this pen I have just removed the refill. After that you will be needing a plastic bag. You can take the plastic bag according to the weight of your pen. If your pen is very heavy, you can take a big plastic bag, and if it's a bit light, you can take a smaller plastic bag. So let's move on. So guys, firstly you'll be needing a big rubber band and a small rubber band. Just tie up that rubber band in a pen, something like this. Firstly tie up the small rubber band in a pen, only keep a small place of it outside. Then attach a big rubber band to it by tying a knot out here. So as you can see, it becomes flexible. We can launch it like this in the air, something like, just a second, like this we can launch it. So now I will teach you how to add the small parachute to it so that it come down slowly. So let's move on to add the parachute. So guys, now you can bring a thread, any color thread you can bring. Okay, so after that, and a polythene bag. So you just need to open up the thread about this much, and then you just need to cut it with scissors. I have cut it with hand now. Just need to cut it with scissors about this size, and we need two of them. So one more of the similar size, this much. Now we just cut it. So I've just cutted it. Now we have got two of these threads. Then we take the polythene bag, take one thread and just attach it by tying a knot, something like this. Just tie a small knot in this, yeah, and then it's two knots, small knots. So guys, now I can show you. I've tied the thread on both the sides, something like this. It should be of equal height. Then 3 or 4 times you can just make it more smoother by doing like that. I've tied the thread. Now just keep it down for some time. We take our pen. Then we just need one thread at first, one side of the thread. Take the pen, and if you need to attach it to your cap, something like this. Just roll it on your cap and tie a knot. Yup. So as you can see, I've tied a knot. So guys, this is the knot which I have tied on one side. Now for the second part of the thread, we don't have to tie it on the same part. Just take it on a different part, like I take it in the middle, and then we just need to tie it. We need to tie in 2 knots or else it will not work properly. It can break up anytime if we don't tie 2 knots. So guys, after tying 2 knots, I'll just test it and show you. Guys, as you can see, I've tied 2 knots. It's something like this. So we just can throw it in the sky like this. So at that point of time, what do we need to do is take it in our hands, fold it into half first. As you can see, I've folded it into half. Then we need to fold it into one more half, something like this. After that, we need to fold it this way. Yup. Then this way. Yes. You can see I've folded it this way, and then just keep it like this. As you can see, it is made. So I'll just teach you how to launch it. You can even launch it like this. Just hold it and leave both at the same time. So how to launch it, I'll be teaching you right now. Let's move on to a free place. So guys, before moving to a free place, I'll be just teaching you how to use it. You can see you have attached it on the downer part. If you have attached it on the upper part, just reverse it. Like this, you have attached it on the downer part. You can take a big wooden scale. So let me just show you how to launch it. So guys, as you can see, I have attached it on the scale. Now you just need to put the pit of it on this like this. Yeah, so it's made, and the plastic in your hand. When you want to release it, take the plastic, hold it down and just release it. So that's the way to release it. Now I'm going to show you in my next video in doing it in a garden or in a park, that how does it comes down. I can just show you a trial now. So guys, when it comes down something like this. So guys, when it goes up, it opens up like this and then slowly goes down. I can show you a trial of it. Down like this. Very slowly. So I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.